Yeah, the Vcam, man, 2.0 is so much better. Yeah, there is no green screen, man. It's just a removal software. I can actually pull it up and show you guys how it works if you want. Yeah, let me pause this. Yeah. So, let's see if I can pull this up. So right here's the software. If you guys see it right here in the middle. The original background. I'll click it over. Now you guys see the original background. It is completely my living room. I can actually add like this to video. Yeah, dude. Like you see, there's a little video clip playing, which is pretty cool. I mean, yeah. So, like this, you know, I can add the background blur. I can blur the background out, make it look like it's blurry. You know, add my freaking skull here. You know, they have a few backgrounds. You can also add your own, but you can edit the background like brightness, contrast, zoom in or out, pan, left, flip. It's a pretty nice software. If you actually stream, definitely use it. It's worth it. You can add a YouTube video, web page. I can link it straight to Dragon Blogger if I want. It is removing my chair. So if I pull this up, I can put the chair back. Now you guys will see the chair. So it's removing the chair. You can add it to 30 frames per second. Highest quality. You can drop it around. As you see, it's running off the 2080, but you can actually add it. So you can have it running off that and my CPU. But to do that, it's kind of, you know, it's a little taxing. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's not bad, man. Definitely not bad. But yeah, definitely Xsplit Vcam, man. The new software is pretty awesome.